Welcome to my February 2019 StitchFix unboxing with special guest, my mother.
Hello.
Joyce. Alright, and this box was funded by my mother. Christmas gift.
So it should be very good.
It should be very good. Okay, item number 1 is a blouse. Plaid.
Cute.
Initial thoughts?
I think it looks cute.
We'll see.
Practical.
I have to iron it. Oh. Okay. So here's the blouse. Mother and I think it's okay. It puckers right here. A little sloppy. We'll see.
We'll see.
Maybe. I have to see how the rest of the box goes. And it has these things on the arms, which just seems like lots of shirts from there have to have the buttons on the arm. That's come unbuttoned once already. Okay. Shirt 1. Item 2. Another blouse.
Ooh, that's cute.
Mustard, blue.
Different.
Oh, I like the front.
Yeah.
All right, we shall see. Here's the high, low, top. What do you think, Grandma?
I like the colors. I think it's pretty. And it's very different.
She's over here. She's just not in the picture. Yeah, I like it. If I can wear mustard is the question. But I like the blouse. I think this is fun. This is cute.
The colors are pretty.
Mm-hmm. I got some nice, it would look good with jeans, right?
It does look good with jeans. Yes.
All right. Item 3. Cardigan sweater. Cardigan sweater. That's cute.
I think that's pretty.
I don't have anything that
You
color.
get a lot of wear out of that, I think.
I think so. All right, we'll try it on. The cardigan gets 2 thumbs up.
I love it.
4, I guess, thumbs up.
Very practical.
Yes.
Goes with everything.
Yeah. Keeper.
Yeah, I like it.
Item 4 is another cardigan sweater. I think I may have told her to do layers. Oh no, it's not a cardigan. So this is kind of like what I have on. It's this kind of neck.
Oh, like a cowl neck.
Yeah, the cowl neck, light sweater.
No, I think you'd wear that a lot.
I do too. Can't wait to see it on.
I know you wear that.
So my mother says this screams me.
Yes, because that's what you love to wear when you relax.
Yes.
That's your favorite kind of thing.
Yes. This is.
I like it.
Yes, keeping. And the last item, some gray jeans with little cuffs. Those will be cute. All right,
Yeah.
we'll see.
They look cute.
Gray pants. They're tight, kind of, but they don't feel tight. They're super stretchy because I think they're supposed to be tight. And they came out of the box cuffed, but I took the cuff down. I don't know. I
I think they're kind of nice.
They're okay. They don't fit great. They're a little
Well,
bit.
pull your shirt down, see how it looks.
Well, they'll look fine like that.
Yeah.
Cover up your butt, then they always look good.
No.
Pretty cute. With stuff with the shirt over my butt a little bit, then they're cute.
I think so too.
So
Your
they're
socks
very
even
soft
match.
and comfortable. My socks even do match. All right, come say goodbye.
Okay.
Bye. Goodbye.